How to transfer photos from one iPhone to another iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go at it through quick and easy and how you can transfer photos from one iPhone to another. Well, to transfer photos from one iPhone to another, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up your photos, right? You can open up photos and click on select, then select the photos that you would like to share. Then you can see share icon at the bottom left corner, tap on share. And now you can share using AirDrop easily. So here you can see the AirDrop option, right? You can select AirDrop. Now make sure that the another device that you are going to be receiving on or that you wish to send to, make sure that they have enabled AirDrop and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on their device as well. So they'll have to have enabled AirDrop and Bluetooth as well. And if they have done so, here you'll be able to see the person here. You can tap on it and they'll have to receive it on the iPhone. So this is how you can easily share photos from one iPhone to another iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.